It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
When we went to Joshua Tree, the kids tried crickets in candy. This time, we're gonna try Eat Bugs Chips. Chirps brand, 5 grams of protein per serving. It says this container is 1 serving size, 17 chips, 170 calories. The ingredients are corn, sunflower oil, cricket protein, pea flour, chia seeds, yeast extract, and some flavoring and stuff. It says if you have a crustacean shellfish allergy, you may also be sensitive to crickets. So, if you're going to try them, keep that in mind. When we eat bugs, we can save the planet. Our crickets are powerful protein sources that need very little water and land to grow. Look at how many gallons of water it takes for other protein, and crickets only take 1 gallon of water. So, very interesting. We've watched a show about it before. They made a cake out of cricket flour, and we've wanted to try that. We just haven't ordered any cricket flour. It's not something you can find at your grocery store. So we saw these and we decided to try them out. All right, tasters, come on out.
Mom, I'm gonna taste first.
Are you? All right, you ready for these chips?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right.
Why do I have to scoop?
Give them a try.
They're allergic to dogs, but they're pretty good. I'll now do thumbs up.
What was the first thing you said?
What's up?
Did you say they're allergic to dogs?
Yep. Yeah, and I choose it up.
Okay, why are they allergic to dogs?
Because they are.
Okay, well, don't feed them to your dogs, I guess.
We don't even have a dog.
Good thing.
Tastes like normal chips. They're pretty good.
Guys, that was cool.
Those are really good.
It does say 1 cricket per chip.
I could have another. It tastes kind of like Lay's sour cream and onion with some of the, let's see, gluten-free chips combined in, but they're small.
How's the second one? Still
Ow.
allergic to dogs?
Yep. So the dogs. We love them.
So do you guys like these better than regular chips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are way better.
They are way more expensive at $4 a bag. So not something that we're going to keep buying, that's for sure.
I'll grab them.
You want some?
Yeah. I want one to grab them. I want one to grab them.
So, what do we think about Eat Bugs?
Double thumbs up.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Amazing.
So, get out there and eat some bugs. All right, Daddy, bugs for you.
They don't seem to be making any noise.
They smell like bugs.
Yeah, it does. It's not bad. I wouldn't call it good, but it's not bad. If I could have no chips for those, I'd eat bugs.
Bugs are good. Bye-bye.